Once again, we have the opportunity to enhance. We are now ready to choose where to build our government buildings. We may only zone one of.
When wasteful war shall... It is equally important to have a happy and engaged workforce, as it...
Stop je, dat heeft wat.
Civilizations have uncovered.
Zo, kom maar. Yes!
Suma ulte semani.
No, to zomaar.
I'm also interested in creating a lasting legacy.
Vendo, du nou. Is je keieren waar. Is je kan keieren waar. Jeff Bezos. En het is. Dan. Dat zacht zo. Oh, are you.
Divide and rule.
Yes, government unlocked. Let's go. Literally. Emrys, I have huge respect for the Welsh language people. And I've just seen that you're the only one streaming in Welsh at the moment. Let's get this done. Let's sort this out. Sorry, boys. Also, I've seen how much you spend on Amazon weekly, and yes, I think I can pay overtime to somebody to fix it. Villa after conversation. Dużo gold, co dużo production. Gold production. Gold will come. Pa sef nes i ddewis gyda llaw? Nes i ddewis the Roman Empire. Nes i ddewis Trajan. Mae fi yw Trajan. Be? Pam? Ti eisiau beth gyda fi? Fi literally ddim byd... Oh my god, so fi literally ddim byd i gyda... Okay. Ddoi nôl at hwnna. Dwi'n mynd i hwnna, de? Okay. Dwi'n licio hwnna, ddo. Dwi'n licio hwnna, ddo. Faith, yeah, I don't do faith, yeah. Do faith. Ooh, I get me hwnna, de. Trajan! Roman Empire. Hes o dwi'n licio y boi yma di, mae'n automatically'n creu, so os ti'n neud dinas yn yr un lle ar un continent a prif dinas chdi, mae'n automatically yn neud trading post. So dwi'n mwyn gorau buildio trading post a fyna loan automatically cael ei buildio rhwng y ddau dinas. Fel fa ti'n gael iwsio tradesmen chdi i wneud lonydd, ond efo boi ma ti'n mwyn gorau. Quite licio hynna. Mae'n mynd efo beth dwi yn trio cyflawni, lle. Na, refuse. Dwi'n gwybod beth ti'n siarad am it. Mae o eisiau fama, mae o eisiau fertile land o fama.
The time has come to choose which
Ddim yn cael...
history marches forward.
Ddim yn cael fertile land fi. Ooh, okay, let's have a look. Classic Emirates free market hobo. Yep, so be. Lonydd there. Lonydd yn key am victory fe yma. Dwi'n dechrau off efo lonydd. Dwi eisiau lonydd, ti'n gwybod pam? I fi gael symud tanks fi wedyn. Cos mae un o'r ffycars ma'n troi na fi. A os dwi efo lonydd ready to go, yeah? Bing, bang, bong. Mae fucking troops fi'n symud. Not my first civilization, mate. Not my first civilization. Gan beth dwi eisiau fe man. Ie, dwi'n mwyn gymryd gan amser yn hwnna. Ffwcio hwnna. Construct a new speciality district. It's like inspiration. Dwi'n siŵr o'n faint o isal llai. Diamond, ie. Sounds scary.
Thousands have lived without love.
Taw. Dwi'n siŵr fe yma. Science, give me science. All about the science. Next turn. Oh, shit, dwi'n siŵr hwnna, ie.
Writing means sharing.
Dwi'n reit convinced. Dwi'n reit convinced fydd hwnna'n nuclear. That's gonna be nuclear. Sut gai hwnna? Heb pisio neb off. Heb prynu. 560. Dwi isio hwnna. Na. Mash, tight. Hyn y mash. Be di mash? Blood. Beth ydi? Increase growth by 50%. Oh my god, yeah, hwnna. Fucking hell, yeah. Get that done. Get that done. Swamp. Oh, yeah. Ooh, swamp, that's it. Dwi'n either licio lane here rhaid y cost, neu dwi'n licio block fel la. Dwi'n reit, shit, there we go. Dwi'n neud bwbl. Dwi'n neud bwbl. Allai, dwi'n cael newid... Dwi'n cael newid... Na, o hwn. Dwi'n cael newid hwn? Na, unlock for 35 gold. Na, dwi'n cael 10% production o wonders. Na, gadael ymwys. Ymwys. Eist cuffs o'na.
People who cannot find time for recreation are sooner or later to find time for illness.
Yeah? Yes! Whoa, whoa. Oh, someone to build it. Bastards! Okay. Bastard! Put it in the hanging basket. Barod. Anyways. Ja, men det er noe verdt da. Noe verdt da. Sut dwi'n cael mwy o amenities? Yes.
Money, if it does not bring you
Commercial hub. Yeah, yeah.
a physician without a knowledge of astrology.
Shit, mate. Ja, whatever. Det är bach na nöjd att spela önnestä. Choose Pantheon. Ooh, God of the Sea. God of the Sea, +1 protection from fishing boats. Neu ydw i'n cael Goddess of the Hunt am camps. Hmm. The 15% protection towards... You're doing fishing boat. Class. Eureka for mathematics. Is it just an... It's G-show. Whatever. Ah, spør meg til. Oh my god, spør meg. Please do clip on there. Please do clip on it. 560. That's what's it look at. Make a deal. Did you open borders with you? Never mind. Okay. Fuck it there. Fuck it there. Disco. Dwi angen dod lawr hwnna. Dwi angen dod lawr hwnna ASAP. Stop your fucking... Bet. Dwi'n gwybod beth i chi. Emrys, mae military chdi'n awful. Dwi'n angen am it. Dwi'n angen military. Dim put you out. Ancient walls.
Suma ulte semani.
What was I tell you? Oh, I may destroy you. No, thank you, mate. No, thank you, mate. Not today! Ooh, dwi'n know. Mae'n ydych chi? Ooh, next turn, allai brynu. Just gobeithio fydda I ddim yn sgint wedyn. Dwi angen science. Fo ydi y boi yma. So, Civ 6. Mae gennych chi civilizations gwahanol oes, obviously. Ond hefyd gennych chi city-state. So, Jerusalem. Just Jerusalem dyna. Is Jerusalem byth bod yn fwy na Jerusalem. Eitha ddim neud beth dwi'n neud yn y dinasoedd eraill. Neu beth fy Hong Kong. Fydd Hong Kong just yn Hong Kong. A fydd... Mitla. Just yn Mitla. Ond... Babylon o fyma. Mae nhw'n sef fatha fi. Os clicio fo. Fo ydi hein. So mae wedi bod i dau fyma. So mae o'n yn amlwg yn build outwards. Diamonds yn dda, ie. Mae diamonds yn dda, ie. Tre lawr i fyma, ddo. Cyn fyma cael off. Fel arfer, bit yma dwi'n ffwcio fyny. Dwi'n mor... Wow, pam dwi ddim yn golli pres? Pam dwi'n golli pres? Pam dwi ddim yn golli pres? Seriously?
Set your course by the stars.
Iawn, iawn. Iawn ta. Talu fi NHS chdi. Sgynna fi NHS? Sgynna fi ddim byd eto. Sgynna fi absolutely... Ww! Sut dwi'n neud? Dwi'n gwrs yna. Sut dwi'n gweld beth sy'n trigger hwnna? Oh, build different 3 speciality districts. Doable, that's doable. Dwi'n mission to one, I guess. So that's shipbuilding. All about the ships. All about the ships. Dwi angen I siŵr fod boi yma ddim yn expandio.
Defense is superior.
Change policies. Let's have a look. Be dan ni siŵr yma? Settlers. There's... They change government? Experience. Be? Ynddo. Ynddo. Ydw I wedi ffwcio fyny? Na, dwi heb ffwcio fyny. Iawn, ma'n iawn. Expensive building. Na fo! Sbia. Dwi'n na i gyd, de. Dwi'n na i gyd. Ti eisiau mynd... Ti eisiau mynd i science place first. Cyd i'n di science place fi. Ond mae gen i'n arall wedyn. Ti yn fan na. Dwi'n? Okay, feeling good, feeling good. So ni'n licio cael 2 settler arall. Dwi eisiau settler yn fama. Just, I think fama is a very end-gamey place. Yes, Eureka! Eureka! O, allai brynu, so dwi'n mynd i brynu. Settler. A dwi'n mynd i... buildio settler. Ymwneud pan ti'n buildio 2 settler, hwnna'n nuts. A dwi'n dda, trustio fi. I know what I'm doing. Dwi'n mynd i... Cael chi fel yna, link de. Eisiau mynd wedyn de. Eisiau chi mynd i... Dwi ddim yn cofio'n iawn. So, dwi'n mynd i chwarae Civ 6. Os dwi'n neud dinas ar thing, mae'n constantly neud o'n di. So, dwi'n literally hynna fyny. Bucket. Bucket. Trefo. Dwi'n poeni am fflodio. Mae hwn yn very topical. Mae hwn yn... efo climate change yn efo. So, ti eisiau bod yn coi am hynna, ond ti ddim yn rili eisiau. Wow, so cyffela yma. Pam sy'n rective train? Oh my shit. Whoa. No, walk away. Walk away, Emrys. Dwi'n gost yn fan. Oh my god, copper. Okay. Rwan. Dwi eisiau dechrau meddwl am beth. Harbour. Am I getting a harbour? I'm getting a harbour. Getting a... Get that fucking cooker on. Oh, no. I'm really expensive, am I though? So I'm at a no man's land. Dwi'n... Oops, gan i fema ta. Mae'n very, very bountiful. O, sbe. Ti'n neud da? Shit. Dwi'n bod yn cocio man. Oh, bastard. Run away there. Shit. Oh my god. Emrys, you madman. No!
There is nothing but a plank between a sailor and eternity.
Dwi'n gwybod beth eisiau rhan. Eisiau gofio'r pillo fi. Eisiau gofio'r pillar do. magnetic pillow fi. Iawn. Dwi'n eisiau neud hwnna fan, cos dwi'n mynd i trigger hwnna. Dam, ddo, os gallu efo dam, de. Poeni amdan military... Horses. I want bunking horses. Give me horses. Ah, sucks to be you. Climate change. Okay.
May the forces of evil become confused while your arrow is on its way to the target.
Oh, yeah. Fuck off, man. Yep. Bwcerin Forests. Be hwn yn mwydra? Fi'n mwydra ta Sean Bean. Dwi angen chdi de. Dwi angen chdi wan de. Mynd nôl. Okay, dwi'n falch dwi wedi cael... Oh shit, actually. Sut mae... Governor fi. Yes, Just like gom, de. Sean Bean. So, bod to, mae'n rhywbeth yn cael ei unlockio. Mae'n y quart i gyd-fynd efo fo. Mae'n yn staple o sef. Dwi'n meddwl sa'ch chi'n joio sefs, de. I rywun sydd lot o oriau yn i Age of Empires 2. Dwi'n meddwl sa'ch chi'n joio fo. Mae'n version slow-paced o Age of Empires. Yes! Our expression on evil traditional defilement. Yep, they dealt.
A good navy is not a provocation to war. It is the surest guarantee.
Okay, dwi'n pwy'n wonders o'n ydw. So, pres dwi siwan. Pres dwi siwan? Ai pres dwi siwan? Pres dwi siwan? Dwi'n ond y cael plus 2. Un route gyda fi. Un route fan'na de. Ta, dwi'n mynd i... Am I going all harbour? Dwi'n mynd i controversial decision. I've got builders. Let's start fucking building. Ti yn dod nôl allan it. Hwn dwi'n byth yn... Fine, right, yes, it's some bit... Eisiau diplomatic favour. Influence. Eisiau hwnna chwaith rili, da. Oh. Merchant. Merchants Republic. We got gold in all cities. So da, dwi hwnna. Neu... Ffwc hynna. Be? Go for it. Go for it. Harbour. Harbour. +3. Be ydych chi isio? Construct the holy site. Great merchant. So fe Jerusalem, dwi angen Jerusalem yn y meto fi. Dwi'n meto nhw. Sbia? Basta bach, sbia na fo. Bildio hwnna fa ma. Lucas eisiau hwn, sbia? O'n i'n gwybod sef yn hynna, sbia? Sleia! Oes da ni'n bell o hwnna? Sbia, mae'n mynd i gael bastard. Mae'n mynd i gael science yna. So, be allai wneud, wwan, ydy bod yn dickhead, a mynd fel hyn. Ie, sy'n byd dwi isio fanna, really. Eitha ddim yn fyny fanna. Look at hein, de. Hein gyda lai, de. Cash. Dwi isio increase y cash flow fi.
Bravery is being the only one who knows you're afraid.
Quite look at hwnna, de. Controversial choice gyda fi fanna, ond ta be? Weithiau, ti'n... Ech ti'n cymryd gamble weithiau? Ca, di fanna de. Siach di mynd.
A man on a horse is spirit.
Tromant. Fel de. Research, let's have a look. Be sgynnu ni ar ôl yma? The wheel. Yeah. Fel de. O, pwysio gwffio! Pwysio gwffio, pwysio gwffio, dwi'n mwyn gwffio. Dwi'n mwyn gwffio neb. O, na, gni fanna, Na, fanna. Oh, shit, fe dwi'n short. I'r ysgol fi. Ok, mae pethau cael ei bildio. That's something. Mission of Dark Ages. Don't make you go to that. Duroctoroctorum. Do na? Duroctoroctorum. Shit, we should have given... I should have given to Plaza, rolla. Need to get... Shit, it's going to... Oh my god, speedometer. +4 science. Yes, please. I'll take that. Yes. I'll take that. Yep. Gewoon nog dichtbij heb hier een score weer. Ain't gonna lie. Gentle eruption. Gemaakt die only fucking game weer within. It's gonna fuck up my game.
Sometimes the wheel turns slowly, but it turns.
Lorraine Michaels, fucking boy Saturday Night Live, yeah. What a quote. Yo. Dwi angan. be ydw i'n bildio? Dwi'n bancio fod hwn ddim yn bod yn flin efo fi. I get away efo hwnna. Amenities. Dwi wastad ti'n mewn amenities yn wastad looking. +4, +2. Swed, sy'n minion. Dda. Oce, ni hynna, de. Mae'n rhaid +8 loyalty fi. Dwi'n angen loyalty. Da fe. I'll do that. I'll do that. Dwi'n angen scout sy'n mynd rownd y bacin byd, hefyd. O, lle prynu coch. Hwna ffordd handi fe, lle jyst neud o'ch at the top. That's your end. Oh my god, was I in the Dark Ages? 10. Oh my god, Imris. No, doing the Dark Ages. Was I in the Dark Ages? No. Wyth yn short. Lle bildio rhywbeth. Get that fucking... Yeah. So, when's it turn?
Our people still await your command. We have fallen into
No!
a dark age. Though our cities will face loyalty challenges, with enough effort, we should be able to rise out of this dark age.
Pobl mor fickle. Dwi'n mynd dall beth o'n dweud. Dwi'n meddwl rhan loyalty fydda'n iawn.
One man's magic is another man's engineering.
Da. Hwn i'r... Ie, nes i... O'n i'n meddwl gormod fan'na do. Dwi'n angen maths, cos dwi'n mynd i trigger fo. Efo speciality district. Dwi'n eisiau math. Gad, lonydd i fi. Years. University do. Stop ei ffeth i fi. World Congress, let's have a look. So fe yma, lle da ni dod i fwtio ar gyfer stwff. Dwi'n roed i dall aspect yma'r gem. Dwi'n roed pobl yma... Oh my gosh, with diplomatic favours gyda fi. Shit some grievances. Dwi'n eisiau fwtio hyn, ie. So dwi ddim yn... It's just a bit of grievances. Ie ta, dwi'n mynd bothered. Hwna, yn lle. In there, wherever, don't care. Don't do the gorau fwtio. Cos dwi wedi cyfarfod neb. Dwi'n mynd dall nhw'n Dark Age, a dwi'n tra gweithio. Whoa! Oh, iawn, oce, sorry. Cymryd o'n. Yes, ie? Nes i ddeud o'n ddim eisiau neud mathematics. Campus, be di campus? Well, that's a shitty campus. Commercial hub. It's 3. Nah. Dwi'n misio fwta nhw'n! Gon iddi fi! Chwarae gêm! Fi? Oh, fuck sex! Na! Na! Gallai population! Damaged tiles. Oh, fuck sex. Done. Okay. Okay, lle ddechrau gwrdd y ceffylau si fan. Iawn, dwi.
Our people know this new resource may be essential for building certain
Dech chi'n fawr met. Ceffylau, di o. They're offer. My offer. Ti isio diplomatics fi? Dy be? Hwna hefyd. Hwna. I want the cash. I want the cash. I'll take the cash. I'm not above that. I'm not above taking cash.
The Lord made us all out of iron.
Okay. Iawn, okay, maths. Get it. Maths yn bwysig. Okay. Dwi am dweud... Dwi am dweud hynna. Get me some iron. Oh, fuck off! Okay. Ooh, llai... Coed 10 iron. Come back home. Coast tiles. Well.
Musulum amurabi dunkum. Sa num.
Dwi'n licio fo yma. Dwi'n licio fo yma. Dwi'n mynd iso fi.
With the advance of feudalism came the growth.
Okay, dwi isio... Hwna, de. O, no ie, 100% hwnna. O, builders fi. Hwnna, de. Sticker chdi am. Lle mae build... Yn un... Fel e. Should. Sut ydyn ni loyalty? Full loyalty. O, sbi hyn! Sbia! Sbia, Slay! Bothered am hyn rhaid lawer.
May I suggest that we construct a government building to memorialize and strengthen...
If
Did
it's
you need the
natural
barrett?
to kill, how come...
You literally... No, I thought we had shit. Oh, it's not stop here. That government's building, there are. Ooh, free builder. Yes, please. Ooh, yeah. I'll take that. I'll take that. Well, that's straight in my basket. Straight in my basket. Okay. What the point of it? Ain't gonna lie.
If I were again beginning my studies,
Ooh, +1
I would
movement.
follow the advice of Plato and start with mathematics.
Maths. I'm a man of science and maths. Be ti eisiau fi bildio wan? Be ti ditha fi bildio wan? Hwnna. Hwnna. Iawn, trade routes fi. Lle ffwc mae trade routes fi? Lle mae boi fi? Wyt ti'n meddwl dwi'n beth glaringly wrong? Plantation. Yeah. Yes! Fucking. Fucking kick some ass, someone. Kicking some ass. Barbarian ass, that is. Claim greatest person. Ooh, yeah. 3 era score, great. Be dwi'n mynd efo boi... Be dwi'n mynd efo boi yma. Troi o'n i hwnna. Mae nhw'n mynd rownd y byd, o'n. So mae rownd y byd, ti'n cael lot o era score. So... Os gael 57, let's go. Top Civ 6 tips, fyma. Fyddai yn... neu TikTok allan hwnnw dyn. Ww, oce, be dyn ni eisiau fyma'n? Be dyn ni eisiau fyma'n? Under siege. Oh my god. Horseman. No, push it. That's it. Oh, he's slow. Okay. Oh, dwi'n mynd yn bellach yna. Shit. Dwi'n mynd yn rhan. Proposal. Dwi'n mynd yn rhan. Yna. Okay. Dwi'n mynd nabo neb i fod yn neud hynna. Send envoy. Yes! Need some builders. Need some builders. Is het een rond? Oeh, ik heb beeldtaars. Daar ga je niet in. Hefyd, ddo. Give yourself a builder. Get it now.
Completing the construction of this building has inspired our policymaker.
Um, mm, done. Oeh, op een. Niet bij me. Bij me, bij me. Bij me. Bij me. Sign. Sign clear. Woo!
There is no easy way to train an apprentice.
Ooh, klein fyny eto. That's arms. That goes straight in my basket. Ja, ga maar. Gewoon bij douchen. Mijn minutes is been awful. Oh, that's science. That's got some science to it. Oh, spare. Two. Well, that's how I play. Doe maar. Hmm. Yes!
There are very honest people who do not think that they have had a bargain unless they have cheated a merchant.
Okej, så kan hon build this. Oh yeah. Okay. Build that. I need to build it. Yeah. Oh, hello, Tamar of Georgia. You've really nice honor to meet you. Oh, to have nice. It's a delegation. Yeah. Anyway. Big deal. Benny D rate we haven't died in it. Take it. I'll take that. I'm not about that. Be di neud efo military fi. Yay! Yay! Okay. Nah, dim werth 71. I ddim werth 71 o gwbl. O, de. Oh no! Fucking hell. Gaan we er weer wachten? Yay! Gewoon. One ten dosie. Ja. Be am dan. Oranges. Wel dat zo. Dijkgevul. Dijkgevul. I'm 15 a ceffyla. On my finest steeds. Ooh. Okay. Good deal.
بفضل منه
Ooh, بدون.
الواحد الأحد القوي
Tourist.
المنتصر الدائم الذي لا
We buy my different boys look at oranges. Yeah, let's try to buy some oranges. Oh, ragos. Okay, let's just show them out, sorry. Sit. Yes, okay. I was echt put him. Ooh, yes. Don't, huh? What about? Buy my shit. Ooh, spear.
A vast tomb lies over me in Halicarnassus.
Well, I see him at
Of
Halicarnassus.
such dimensions, of such exquisite beauty,
In the car, one.
as no other
Oh, it's
shape
very
can
science.
boast.
Class. Absolute class. Okay, włączę mi... Yes. Still. Commercial herb. Oh. That's a... Ooh, that's a good 3 there. A good 3. Ooh, that's a 4. Cash. Cash is king. Give me some fish. Yes, Georgian spirit. That's cool. Ah, put him.
The purpose of education
Ooh,
is to replace an
university.
empty mind with an open one.
Transformer. Don't care. I'm finding a stagnant on top of it. The top don't really tell. They just put in the right up. I'll buy you a.
Create with the heart.
Zeg met 2 to 1, don't care. 2, 3. 1, 1, 2s. 2, 3s. We hebben de angen in de stil. Delegation is most welcome. Ideaal. Ska vi se weg dichten.
Being a mercenary, though, hey, we just go wherever there's a mixture of money and trouble.
Okay. Basically, we are going. Maybe them. Send it away. Hit square, holy sight. Oeh, Spain, we hebben speer. Stats. 1d8. Krijgen we af. Krijgen we af. Not a fan, innit? Not a fan, innit?
We We have
very...
failed in our mission. And next time we are against this enemy,
Oi.
it will be even harder.
Enemy.
Perhaps next time, we should consider turning the other way.
What? Saw them. Ah, sucks to be you. Oh no, shit. Oh. Press i... Sätt då. 800. 800. What? I'm nuts. Okay. Let's flog some cash. Ah, it's really fuck yeah. Check a... Är det dekefil? I'll take that. My horses are the best in the world. Oh, let's look at resources. What will you give for my 10 horses? So yeah, I'll take that. Hey mate, fella. Do you have a steel? Some steel, mate. Ooh, okay. I'll take that. Yes! Got some cash flow. Got some cash flow. Class. Dwi'n cael off o fama. Byddai'n rei tapus da. Yes.
Blast. Build.
Yes. Oh, spinner. Okay. Okay. What's not anything there? Cash. Big deal. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah. Oh, in the shirt. In the shirt. Okay. Okay, hwn yn make or break wan. Dwi angen hwnna. Fine, settler. Fine, effing settler. Minus... Hei vi. Hei vi vet. Button. Ja, lle hwnna. Oh, ti efo fo'n barod, bastard.
Great news. Our accomplishment.
Yes, golden edge. Yes!
Him that overcometh.
A dam. Okay, so
Our
do...
people's discovery may.
Yeah, tau. Hwnna. A hwnna. Shit. Pass. Everything's coming up Millhouse. Give me some fucking boats. Done. V. Give me some. Give me some admiral points. Yes. Oh shit. No. Try no until yes. Okay. Come on. Come on.
Roads were set up a
Yes,
colossus
son.
of 70
Yeah.
cubits high, representing the sun. The artist expended as much bronze in it as seemed likely to create a dearth in the mines.
Spiona. Classic. Yeah. Maybe trade the. Give it. Huh? Give me some science. Okay. Okay. Don't stop the floods. Peidiwch yn meddwl am science fydd. Okay. Fortify. Cwr iawn. Diolch yn ti. New year, new sub. New year, new sub. New me. Croeso i'r stream. Dwi'n chwarae high intensity. High intensity Civ 6. Mae o'n edge of your seat stuff. Don't give a shit, mate. Don't give a shit, mate. Diolch yn fawr iawn am y sub. Dyma gael help. Sucks for you. Ti'n gwylio Civilization fi mewn Golden Age.
The day we stop exploring.
Merchant Republic. Yes. Bang. Okay. Oh, shit. Look at face with a diplomatic. Dwi'n rhywun content fod am byd iwan ydy. Okay, so dwi'n eisiau hwnna mwyn o guys. Hwnna. Bydd hwnna'n dda i fi iwan. Bydd... These speciality. That. Point am hwnna. 2 loyalty per turn. The garrison unit. Yes, that. Yes. Get in. Dwi angen... Ydy ti? Class. Class! Ti'n rhaid i chod Civ? Civ 6, ti hwn? Absolute survey fo. Nes i ddeud o blaen, swn i byth yn streamio Civ 6. Ond nes i fel, fuck it. Fuck it! 2023, it's the year of Civ 6. Ar stream fi. Os dwi'n rhaid i dweud hynna blaen, dwi'n dweud y wan. Dwi'n mynd i hwnna, de. Do some spying. Do some spying. Iawn, oce. Ydw i eisiau bod yn democracy, fascism to communism. Hwna 15% off ar hwnna. Tio hwnna, de. Communism. Communism wins the day. Okay. I need a minty. Yeah. Uh. Apology. What? People said, fuck off. Fuck off. People settle too close. Dos o yma. Bit ti gael hwn? Bit ti gael hwn, met? Fucking hell. Terminator yn gynnes. Sorry.
Not all who wander are lost.
Okay. Ooh, wonder. Okay. Let's have a picture of everyone. Trick efo hwn ydy ffeindio'r y crap yma i gychwyn. Am I going for that? Pobl ma angen... Di pobl ma angen fod yn hapus, mae pobl angen fod yn cyfeithog. Ti angen... Oce, ella i gwerthu stwff i pobl... Beth ni'n dweud am diamond i fi? Seriously? Cynnig diamonds i chdi? O ti dan byd i fi? Ti eisiau diamonds? F off! Dim byd da. What? Ys pryd mae value o diamonds bod yn fucking dim byd? Dwi'n clywed eisiau cyffyla fi, bet. I'm all about the fucking money. All about the money. Harrison. Yeah. Class. Ooh, lle ddechrau embassies I bobl. Ydw i'n gallu embassies I bobl? Let's have a look.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and...
Care. Don't care. Hwn yn high level Civ 6 play gan I fi yma. Yeah, that's good. Ooh, great lighthouse. Ah, got cabs fi ddo. $54. Not worth it. Not worth it. spies. Some spying. Okay. Het is echt te veel met.
History is the version of past events that people have decided to agree upon.
Oké, we weten daar. 1, 3, en. Oké. Zie je me dit winnen doet. Nou ja. Oké, nou ja. Oeh. Wel hè? Points. Okay. Oh. Met, literally, ze zijn barbarian yma. Os da ni'n mynd barbarian yma, ti'n
Few inventions have been
nuts.
so simple as the stirrup, but few have had so...
Ti'n insano. Wat krijg je barbarians? Pa barbarians met. Er een fucking... Eisiau beth o femma, dwi? O, ti'n femma test, ie? Hwna lost courts. Femma lost courts. Femma ddim. Ooh, yes. Free cash. Free cash. Yeah, okay, maar we hebben lost cards. On. So fe eventually yn cwffio fama fydd y bombs yn dropio. Dwi cael lincio fama gyd fyny. Delegation most welcome, heidio. Dybed, ydw i efo'r gallu neud embassies, dwi'n cofio.
It's all papers and forms. The entire civil service is like a fortress made of papers, forms and red tape.
Dybed. Hwna. Beth ti'n neud y trebwys yna, met? Be yw ti'n neud? lle bwysio look o yma. Lle bwysio. Mi drio fo. Ydy. Shitball culture. Dwi'n nhw werth o. Commercial. Ooh, commercial. Give. Yeah. One science. Science, really. Hwnna ddim. Hwnna byth newid yn ei.
Hidden in the...
Okay, dwi'n mynd i cymryd y piss am fan. Fuck it. Okay, dwi angen reid Governor of yma. ASAP. ASAP. I need to expand here. Reassign. Filter. Chance to come to piss yma. Get rid of the marshes. What's the point of ceffyla wan? Plus one, plus one. Plus one. Oh. Be? Try to build a shitty holy site somewhere. Just dead. Unlock the... Oh my god, spare. Yes! That's what I like to see. Oh, point. I eventually got on that. Spare. Nes yn digwydd, li? Nes yn digwydd. Wys, na. Ti ddim.
If you owe the bank $100, that's your problem. If you owe the bank $100 million, that's the bank's problem.
Banking. Hmm. Mewn yn expanding hier echt. Oce. Na, sgynna fi ddim. Coffi. Ti'n coffi, met? F off. Iron. Dwi'n ddim iron i fi. Ti eisiau hwn, does? Ti eisiau, met? I'll take that. I'll take that. Hmm. Be ti eisiau? Okay. I'll take that. I'll take that. Okay, dwi'n poeni am hwn, rwan. Whoa, Pam. Very friendly.
You can't go around arresting the Thieves Guild. I mean, we'd be at it all day.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a shit one. Strict income. Okay, just gonna. Okay. Okay, shit. Care about these shitters. Huh? 140. Ooh, 4. Be ti isio, met? Yeah. What's that? Just spear, fucking spear. Dwi'n hel lot o bres fan, cos dwi'n gwybod. Spear. 3,000 space gyda fo. Okay, so mae'n neud ti isio. Dwi'n angen supply mwy o nitrogen.
If you see a castle under fog,
Right. Bell in 6 turns. Maybe. Wait a minute, guys. That's it. Got me some spies! Spies up in my century. Okay, let's be on the man. Okay. Shit. Yeah. Wel, ti bach yn waste o space efo yma. Saladin? Oh my god, serious? Oh, mae gen i big plan. Dwi'n mynd i gael P a dwi'n mynd i wneud big plan fi. Be right back. Hello. Back. Dan ni'n neud o.
Remember that people break down too, not just machinery.
Oh my god. I'm profound. Get rid of them. Gewoon på det kår. Even walls. Prynu rhywbeth. So, prynu market. There. See?
After a loss in loyalty, a nearby foreign city has
Oh,
declared
it's
independence
gone.
from its former civilization.
Take me. O, ty się nie wie. Ja. Be allan neud? Um, um, um. It's like, oh no wonder. Yeah. Give me gold. Even Dwi'n misio hwn do. Oh, det has ei werth. Be dwi'n gwneud efo yma ta?
Strategy requires thought. Tactics require...
Oh, +4. +4. Put that straight in my veins. Os ti'n rownd, os ti'n circumventio'r map, ti'n cael uffar o boost. Nah. Okay, Adele. Not part of the game. Oh, hello!
Vengut alla Cour d'Aliénou, duchessa d'Aquitania, reina consorts de Franza ed Anglaterra. Trojai reds da
The ddau version hier, un efo gwell hir, un efo gwell byr. You look like a type of woman that wants to buy stuff. Over. Oh my god! Te. Oh yes. Gach chi fwy o pres na sense, let's go. Oranges. Class. Class. Ow. Okay. Ooh, the savages of them. The pearl wichte. It's a refused deal. Funny. No, it's my counter. We should. Okay, look about this. One-time deal. Okay. Do more gyfoethog. More gyfoethog. Just look over.
A diplomat is a man who always remembers a woman's birthday, but never remembers her age.
Okay. Oeh, een backlon. Nee, mijn backlon. Het is gewinnen. Wait. Okay, that's a 2, hè? Oeh. Ja. Kijk, weer een gebeeld personal.
An independent city has sworn its loyalty to us, and
Oeh, ja. Refuse city. Misje we. Dus mijn gewoon dan een nul. Yes! Oh, Shakespeare in Babylon.
Here, the dark
Ooh,
brown
so cool.
amorphous
Giant's Causeway.
basalt. There, the red ochre. And below that again, the slender but distinct lines of the wood coal.
Yonta. Beth, je prynu beth.
What can be labelled, packaged.
Yay! Rond de bit. Round a bit. Okay. Let's get some stuff built. Okay. Okay. 2, 3, and
This lighthouse.
Oh
is the
shit!
cynosure of all
I'm inte
ours.
hungrig med det. Ah, shit, vad är det där var? Okay. Stupid shit. Okay. Where are the amenities there? No. So we should build that. Well. Yeah. Just give me a build there. Got cash. Gonna spend money to make money. Okay. Damn, man, you built your night. 64 turns with him there. Oh, it's fucking nuts. So we're doing blinking nuts. Oh, 6 stars. And stuff like querte papal. Yeah, Jesus. hwnna. Dwi'n mai un o hwnna. Yna. Yay! Okay. Let's search. Whew. Yeah, embassy. Sut we call embassy? Shit. Embassy. Okay.
Momtson sese kedilni.
Ti'n yna barod, met? Oh, yeah, good compass. Oh, threes. Pick three. Bye. Okay. Henne, henne. Zo, daar gaan we. Reeds daar, wie aan de? Ik doe die bult wat er bijna. Oh, claim this person. Get codes. Should have. Penny. Got the cash. Got the cash. There. Send it away. Class. Exactly. Attilattime. Okay, beth lle wrth i bobl. Embassy. Class. Embassy. Class. Embassy. Class. Embassy. Class. Pawb yn eto fi. Sydd yn y world rankings. Oh my god, sbia? Okay, pump those numbers up. Pump those numbers up. Dda fi wedi cymryd hwn drosodd e. Blair, efo e. Give me some science. Gotta just pump those numbers up. Okay. 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 Got this. I've got this. In the bag. Ben there, I could gair shit with you.
Pen might not be might.
Pumping those science numbers up. Yeah. Hello. Total War. O'n i efo Total War gynta. Yr un, ti'n cofio Time Commanders o BBC Two? Dwi'n meddwl, Richard Hammond oedd y series gynta, ie? Oedd nhw'n iwsio Total War yn hwnna dyn. Ie. Rome Total War hwnna, ie? Dwi'n cofio. What a time. What a time. Ond, ia, mae gen i fe'r un wedyn, ond si'm... Oh, hello.
Koningin
Queen of the
der
Netherlands.
Nederlanden. Het is mijn grote eer u eindelijk
Efo
te
experts,
ontmoeten.
ie. Ie, mae gen i fi hwnna, a mae gen i fi'r un bes ar fatha Napoleon Wars. So... Gen i fi hynna, de. We'd love to sample your hospitality. Yes. Mae hwn lot mwy laid back. Sa ddim time constraints ar hwn. Ne, beth dwi'n joio am hwn. So, lawr fama, dwe. Ww, sbio. Lot o hyn undiscovered. Be ti eisiau, met? Na! Dwi'n eisiau shit, chdi. Dwi'n hwnna, ddo. Don't want you dusty old books. Ooh, new
You must
mission.
not lose faith in humanity. Humanity.
Change policy. Be dwi angen newid yn fyma. Na, dwi'n iawn. Ti'n Na, dim ond. Okay, so. Dwi... Okay. Forbidden City. We won't give a shit. Ooh. Oh god, yeah. Okay, be allai purchase? Action. Sites. Yeah, the room to it's a room to warren. Good game. Streamer is on it. Ond ni'n mynd i plan y streamio heddiw. Ond o'n eisiau relax bach. Just reid hwn. Fel ma rwy'n weithiau. Fel
We are,
Ooh.
by the grace of God, Victoria, Queen of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. And soon, dare I say, the Empire.
Oh my god. Down! Down with English. Yeah. Streaming slow. Ydy streaming choppy? Ydyn iawn. Os di streaming choppy ni ddim yn diseidio. Ok, ideal. Mae gynnu fi stream preview bach ar website Twitch yma. Cos o Twitch bod dim mynd i lawr pel ma. Heno ma. Ond sy'n siŵr fod yn behafio. So be? Beth gyntaf wneud kill them with kindness, de? A gwerthu shit i nhw. Be ti eisiau hwnna? Oh my god, yeah. Chdi fwy o pres a sense, Victoria. Be di dweud hwnna i fi? Gan ti'n eisiau hwnna? Give me some oranges. Yeah, orange. A hwnna? Be hi'n neud i? Oh my god, hynna sgynna chdi £7 gynna nhw. British government, maen nhw efo £7 ar ôl. Lle dwi'n insanely rich. Be hynna ta? O, na da. No way. No way. Nath i'r distilled box. Normal. Okay. A dwi wedi discover bod ma'n yn barod o. Wlla ddim. One era score of an historic moment. Pres. Money. Dwi'n un o fatha'r gentleman con thieves yna. Dwi'n conioi. Conioi dwi. Part of the game. Cymryd pres i gyd. Dwi eisiau presu, yn beth dwi eisiau di presu. Dwi just eisiau. Just want money. Just want some money. Iawn. be allai... Embassy met? Ideal. Let's buy some shit. What you shot? Ooh, yeah. Shit arall? No, off. Oranges. Okay. Seduti am pethau eraill. It's been insanely rich. Okay. Oh, the better. Hey, met. Oranges. Be dir them Oh my god. Yeah. So, okay, oranges. Hon, and that would press. Ooh. On. Oh my god! Yes! Conja, weg gaan we get. Oh my god! Shit. Don't know. Don't know. Don't care. Don't know. Don't care. I was telling you that the destruction of our Earth is not just affecting you, but your neighbours as well. F off! F off. Nes di golli blinking dinas chdi. Gael y dinas yna sy'n joinio fi, a nes i dyn na, oce? Nes i dyn na, cos mae dinas chdi'n shit. O, dwi'n chi dda. Beauty, beauty. Yes. So hurl a pistol yma. Yeah, gyd i embassy. No problem with that, Wilhelmina.
All the best romances bloom in the midst of...
Okay. Very holy, very people. Oh, Oxford, Oxford, Oxford. Oxford University. Dwi'n upio science fi. Dwi'n mynd am science neu domination victory. A dwi'n effernod ar ei hol in science. Sut dwi'n ar ei hol in science? Oh, Menelik, Lion of Judah. Salam. It's an honor to meet you. Yes. Y stream yn choppy ar fyma. Dwi byth yn choppy fanna fel arfer. Dwi yn... Well, oh my god. Live. Improved IRL. Watch. Live. Okay, mae'n stream manager ar... Hwna wan, hwna, it's cool. O, lle? Okay. To do it.
Whatever is contrary to nature is contrary to reason.
Where did you go?
And whatsoever is contrary to reason is absurd.
Ooh, change policy. We Oh shit, du cut les presses. Watch. Oh shit, vad är det där? Oh my god, du shit hot.
Astronomy is much more fun when you're not.
Bitchy met. Yeah. Yeah. Do you realize that we are supposed to be the preeminent builders of wonders? Fuck off. Wie det? Ah, die camera vill sticka. That's bad. No. Do know. Time for some science. See? I don't know where that science place is. Um. So. F off. Wat we moeten. Oeh, zo. Rebellion. Iets is met. Oké. Kun je die hebben? Kun je die hebben? Doe mijn beeld de military weer in de breed.
ሜዳም አሁን ምድር በመውደድህ ደስ ብሎኛል።
Zomaar. Dit te winnen.
You tread
Hey,
on
dacht dat ze
dangerous
tegen elkaar liep, ja.
waters in the face of England and her loyal colonies.
Maar... Weet ik eigenlijk straks gegamed, hè? Dat lijkt heel goed. Zeg ik al hier, ja. Sorry, wat een korte was slijm, dat ik weer heb stop per minuut. Want ja, dat gewoon... Ik ga een streamen als zware weet, kost je moed doen. Ah, dat zie! Professional 20-second impression. A free art commission. Well, that's it. Gewoon jou. Getting my science. Who's our science? Yeah, let's go science. Donate some cities. Pans dwi ddim science yma? 23 fan Cwme. Okay. Right, okay. New mission. No suitable shit. Directorum. Directorum, sadly. Just get it built. Science, science, science. مش عارف. Religion, evet. So lots of sciences are there. Not a lot of science. Purchase that. No cash. Maybe. Yeah, yeah. Pete. Okay. Science. When in doubt. Okay, we pick up in there a science one. Hammer science. Ja, echt niet dat het. Oeh, weer. Die wel met ze.
The real use of gunpowder.
Go. Echt dat hè? Hey, die. Dat Ardra. Be mae pob isio gyda fi. Mate, mae pob de. Pob yn lyfio fi. The friendship. Class. Polonium nib. Class. Deal. Terry. Class. Diamond. Fuck off. I'll take that. Deal. Beth ti angen? Queen of it, come up with me, show. Ti angen, bod dim wyt. Ti bach gaffola. Siam gaffola. Class. Okay. Got some more money coming in. Mid Alliance. Okay. Oh my god. Sufficient.
And first Hephaestus makes...
Okay, dwi'n edrych a concro fan ma. Oh my god, hwyr. Problem efo'r gem yma. Ti'n mynd yn... Ti'n mynd yn hooked yna fo. Oh my god.
en denk vaak dat hij...
Je hebt de Refugia treidio gwbl. Hong Kong, really Hong Kong. Widzicie? No. Yeah. Mis je kolgde? Kijk, kon hier in de minute gewoon. Oh my god. Ew. Okay, that's doable. Widzicie? No. Another. Okay. Oh my god, -5 Oh my
Let's
god.
get on our knees and pray.
Zit het weer aan royalty? Royalty.
Human nature, as
Oh,
manifest.
men det var gwella broad things.
We are losing loyalty in one of our cities. If this continues...
I know. Governors. Reassign. Governors. Oops. Class. Okay, reassign. Okay. class. Oh. Så va. Dwi'n literally yn cymryd y lle dosant. Prynu... Esgydro. Oh my god. Dwi'n mynd i ddyfaru hwnna, dwi'n mynd i ddyfaru hwnna, do. Give it. Oh. Yeah.
However beautiful the strategy.
Harbour. Sgwylwch chi? Oh my god, mae 22 12. Bodoli. Yes. Okay. Fyny un satellite. Oh, okay. Give me science. Give me. Wyciszę met. Czemu nada? Okay.
Improvement makes straight roads, but the crooked roads without improvement are roads of genius.
No basta. Then what?
Bolt actions speak louder than words.
Alright. That's Wycisza. Nah, refuse. No dużo.
ሜዳማውን ምድር
Ja, gewoon. To soma. Chcemy go impresor. No wel, Fuck's sakes. She didn't buff enough. Yes. Yes. Other than that. Yep, worth the stuff. That's the name of the game. We kwijt stuff in papa. Zie we met hem te honden. Huh? Okay. Give me some. You sure that? No. Yeah. Oh, theater.
The Commonwealth
yay.
of Venice in their armory have this inscription. Happy is that city which in time of peace thinks of war.
Okay. That. Was there, go over there. Be a sign. Okay, so we're conquering this
Remember
summer.
that politics, colonialism, imperialism, and war also originated in the human brain.
Nej, sticka över skinner vi. Oleo. Oh, du shorts. Help us. Okay. Dit zien we de field cannon chdi. O, gys di hwnna nôl yn diwedd? Shit. Ok. Dwi angen... Big. Big. Okay.
Engineering is the art of directing the great sources of...
Well, it's done. Okay. Oh my god. Yes. No. Yes. Slaves. Eureka. Deal. Ska vi få det? Vi får det Allo. Allo. Nergens. Wel, dat is ook eens, hè? Ja, dat... Zo.
There is little man has made that approaches anything in nature.
Ik hoop dat er weer een koffer ergens verhaal. Ja, ja. Maar doen hier dakietjes shit.
The key words of violent economics are
Klaar.
We have learned of a method to supply power to...
Yeah.
Our wisest minds have developed plans to build...
Ja. Oh, ja. Oké. Within 6 tiles, 1. Dit is echt waar, hè? Oké. Wacht. Cisza. Umieram nawet. Gary justifié.
No vessel could pass these guns without being seriously assailed.
Oh my god. Oep, ja, voilà. Oeh. Ah, na allaf. Shit. Okay. Mae'n glor o yma. No. No.
War is hell. All other lands found on the western side of the boundary shall belong to the King and Queen of Castile and their
Oh
successors.
shit! What's that? A fanna dwi'n diolch ni am hynna. Ond steb yn gotcha yn dwi'n meddwl. Yn quarter past 12. Pan ffwc so yn gotcha yn quarter past 12 yn os, ie. Sef. O. So, pa'n ti dweud stwff, cos yn neb yma. So... Ia. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Os da chi'n gwachio hwn nôl ar y fod... Ar y fod... Fydd hwn yn interesting ac engrossing. Fel arall... Na wel chi yn y stream nesa. Ti'n meddwl oedd y stream reit laggy. Anyway. Goodbye. Ta-ta-ta.